Greetings everyone, welcome to Miss Dolly's English lesson. Now, if you have joined me or watched my programs on YouTube, Instagram or TikTok, welcome. And if you have never watched any of my English lessons or program, I welcome you. I would like to announce to you that I will be conducting 51.5-minute lessons for beginners, and I really hope for all of you to join me to learn basic English. You can watch my videos as you travel back home, from school, from work, while you are cooking. All it takes is 1.5 minutes. After watching that 1.5 minutes, you can watch it over and over again. You can practice. You can help yourself to learn a new language. Trust me. At the end of 50 lessons, you will be able to speak simple English. Now, I will be breaking it up into 3 parts. The first part will be 15 lessons on everyday vocabulary to build your confidence with simple but useful words. The second part will be another 15 lessons on useful phrases. Part 3, which will be the last part of the lesson, we will have 20 lessons on mini grammar and conversation. It may sound a lot, but trust me, every day it's only 1.5 minutes. It will help you tremendously. So I hope you will join me very soon. We will be starting our very first lesson. Now have yourself a great weekend and we shall be meeting very soon. Bye!